Hey guys, today we're making these fluffy, soft and delicious pancakes. These pancakes are just amazing and so delicious. It's easy to whip up in the morning and it's a perfect breakfast for any time. Okay, so we're going to start off by adding the flour, the baking powder, and salt, as well as the sugar to a mixing bowl, and then you're going to just mix this until well combined. Next, you're going to set that to the side. Into a separate bowl, we're going to add in our wet ingredients. You're going to start off with your melted butter, and then the milk, the vanilla, and lastly the egg. And then just whisk this until well combined. Then you're going to take your dry ingredients and you're going to pour your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients bowl. And then just mix this together until just combined. Do not overmix this. And now you can see if you need more milk, you can add it in at this point. And just mix it till it's combined. Then you're going to pour your batter onto a non-stick pan and cook the pancakes on medium to low heat. Once they have bubbles on the top, you can flip them over. And that's it. That's how easy and simple it is to make these delicious pancakes. Drizzle some syrup on the top or have it with some Nutella. It's just amazing. They're super fluffy and soft. They're just super amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.